Welcome to the best $800 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. October 2022. It's been an interesting month over the last little bit. There's been some PC hardware releases with regards to CPUs and GPUs. However, they don't really affect the $800 gaming PC build so much. There was the Ryzen 7000 series newer mid to high range CPUs that were released. They were great. They're good. And then also the announcement of new NVIDIA graphics cards and then upcoming AMD graphics cards coming in November. So, still some time now. But they're releasing the higher end versions first. They don't really affect the $800 gaming PC build too much if you've been keeping up to date with the PC hardware. If you're just new to all of this, don't mind all that because it's not going to really affect you too much other than you knowing about it. But the good thing about it, it is driving costs down in hardware overall. PC hardware overall. So the $800 gaming PC build is more affordable, essentially. But let's get started with the $800 gaming PC build of the month. Who is this build for? For one, those who have an $800 budget. Secondly, it's kind of that every person's gaming PC build in that it's that kind of standard 1080p resolution gamer that wants to game at that resolution with high settings smoothly in any PC game out. It's not one that's going to game smoothly at 4K resolutions, and it's going to, not exceed expectations at anywhere above that. But it can play above that. It can play, if you wanted to, dip into 1440p, but, set your standards a little lower there. But it's that really gaming PC build that will suit most gamers' needs, most likely. All right, let's get started. The CPU for the October 2022 $800 gaming PC build of the month is the Intel Core i3 12100. The CPU comes in at $147.90 on Amazon at the moment. At the beginning of the month, we include the stock cooler Intel laminar cooler that is included, so no cost there. The motherboard we have is the Gigabyte B660M DS3H motherboard at $109.99. The graphics card is the MSI AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT this month. A great graphics card for this build, and will do very high at 1080p gameplay, as I mentioned, at $339.99. Memory we have is the Corsair Vengeance 16GB kit, DDR4 3600 MHz kit, $54.99. The storage we have is a Crucial P2 500GB NVMe SSD at $39.99. The power supply to power this is the Apevia Prestige 600 watt power supply at $51.99. And then the case to encapsulate all this hardware together is the Zelman S3 mid-tower gaming PC case for $54.99. And then the price, believe it or not, I always put the estimated price for the month, given when I put these builds together at the start of the month. And I do it to the dollar, and the estimated cost right now is $800 on the dot. So perfect. It fits the budget perfect. But yeah, that does it for the $800 gaming PC build of the month for October 2022. If you want some upgrade suggestions, visit the site here at NewbComputerBuild.com, where you can dive a bit more into the build should you want, or visit other builds. There's other budgets available should you want those, or you want upgrade suggestions for now or the future in case you have more to spend, or want ideas in terms of where you can go with the build should you need to add more to it later. But that does it. So best of luck building your $800 gaming PC build. Or if you're waiting to build another build in a few months, we post these every single month. But if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment or visit the site, mind you. But best of luck building your gaming PC.